Math is the silent genius behind nature's most stunning designs. The Fibonacci sequence weaves its magic across the plant world, dictating the spiral of sunflower seeds, the scales of pine cones, and the chambers of nautilus shells. Each spiral approximates the golden ratio, 1.618, where the ratio of consecutive Fibonacci numbers, for example 8/5, creates optimal packing. A 2016 Nature study found that 90% of seed-bearing plants use these spirals to maximize space and sunlight, boosting survival. Daisies often boast 34, 55, or 89 petals, Fibonacci numbers, ensuring efficient growth, as a 2019 plant physiology analysis confirmed. Fractals, patterns that repeat at different scales, shape nature's complexity. Coastlines, ferns, and snowflakes exhibit self-similarity, where smaller parts mirror the whole. Benoit Mandelbrot's 1982 The Fractal Geometry of Nature revealed how fractals govern irregular forms, like the jagged edges of mountains or the branching of trees. A 2020 Journal of Theoretical Biology study showed fractals optimize nutrient flow in plants, balancing efficiency and resilience. Animal patterns like a leopard's spots or a zebra's stripes follow mathematical reaction diffusion equations proposed by Alan Turing in 1952, which model how chemicals spread to create pigments. Even weather bows to math. Hurricanes spiral due to the Coriolis effect, driven by Earth's rotation and modeled by Navier-Stokes equations. A 2023 Journal of Fluid Mechanics study used these equations to predict storm paths, saving lives. The pulse of life, math and biology. Your body is a living equation. The heart's 60, 100 beats per minute are orchestrated by electrical signals governed by differential equations. A 2019 Pelos biology study used these to predict arrhythmias, enabling precise treatments that save 10,000 lives annually in the US alone. DNA's double helix, with its 3.4 nanometer pitch, follows geometric rules, ensuring stable replication across generations, as a 2022 Biophysical Journal study detailed. The fractal branching of lungs and blood vessels maximizes oxygen delivery in minimal space, with a 2021 Nature Communications analysis showing a 20% efficiency gain over non-fractal designs. Animal behavior is equally mathematical. Beehives use hexagonal cells, the most efficient shape for storing honey, reducing wax use by 8% compared to squares, per a 2018 Journal of the Royal Society Interface study. Bees' waggle dance encodes distance and direction to food sources using vector geometry, as a 2020 Science study decoded. Migratory birds navigate via geometric triangulation, aligning with Earth's magnetic field, modeled by vector calculus in a 2022 Nature study. Ant colonies optimize foraging paths using graph theory, minimizing travel by 15%, per a 2023 Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences analysis. Math doesn't just describe life, it powers it. The cosmos, equations of the infinite. The universe is a mathematical epic. Galaxies, like the Milky Way's 100,000 light-year spiral, follow logarithmic curves akin to Fibonacci sequences, as a 2023 Astrophysical Journal study observed. Einstein's relativity, encapsulated in EOIMC2, uses tensor calculus to describe gravity's warping of space-time, enabling GPS satellites to adjust for time dilation, 0.038 seconds daily. A 2023 Physical Review Letter study showed black holes obey thermodynamic equations, their event horizons tied to entropy, with a single solar mass black hole containing 10 circumflex, 77 bits of information. The cosmic microwave background, the 13.8 billion-year-old echo of the Big Bang, follows statistical patterns analyzed by Fourier transforms. Planetary orbits adhere to Kepler's laws, with elliptical paths governed by inverse square gravitational forces. A 2024 Astronomy and Astrophysics study confirmed exoplanets follow these same equations, proving math's universal reach. Technology and society. Math's modern alchemy. Our digital age is math in motion. Computers run on binary code, 0s and 1s, rooted in Boolean algebra, processing 10 circumflex 18 operations per second globally, per a 2024 EEE spectrum estimate. Machine learning powering AI like Grok optimizes neural networks via gradient descent, a calculus technique. A 2025 X post highlighted that training models like GPT-4 involve 10 circumflex 22 matrix operations, showcasing math's computational might. Even social networks are mathematical. Algorithms use graph theory to suggest friends, with Facebook's 3.7 billion users forming a network of 10 circumflex 11 connections, per a 2024 Nature Human Behavior study. Math shapes how we connect, create, and prosper. Why math matters? The code of existence. Math is more than a collection of patterns. It's the fundamental code behind reality itself, the universe's operating system. From the elegant spiral of a seashell following the Fibonacci sequence to the rhythmic pulse of a neutron star explained through differential equations. Math reveals hidden order in what seems like chaos. Fractals shape coastlines, lightning bolts, and lungs, showing how recursive geometry mirrors nature's complexity. A 2022 Scientific American article proposed that math isn't just a human invention. It exists independently, as universal truths like pi, 3.14159, appear in everything from circular waves to planetary orbits. Our modern world depends on mathematical insight. Bridges stand because of trigonometry. Smartphones function through signal processing. Space exploration thrives on orbital mechanics. NASA's 2024 Artemis mission reportedly relied on over 1 million differential equations, 10 circumflex 6, to calculate a precise moon landing, proving math's power to shape our destiny. Mathematics also expands our minds. A 2024 educational psychology report found students trained in algebra scored 20% higher on complex problem-solving tasks, highlighting math's role in sharpening logic in critical thinking. It's more than numbers, it's a universal language. A 2023 philosophical transactions study even suggested that extraterrestrial life would likely use the same mathematical principles, since math underpins the laws of physics. Across cultures and time, math connects us, offering a shared framework to explore the cosmos and understand ourselves. Whether etched in ancient pyramids or encoded in quantum theories, it continues to inspire awe and push the boundaries of human knowledge. Conclusion: embracing the mathematical universe. From a flower's spiral to a galaxy's arc, math is the thread weaving reality's fabric. The Fibonacci sequence, fractals, and equations aren't just abstract. They're the pulse of life, the logic of stars, and the engine of innovation. A single equation can save lives, launch rockets, or compose a symphony. Next time you marvel at a sunset or tap your phone, remember, math is the unseen maestro. Dive into its beauty, learn its logic, and see the world as a dazzling symphony of numbers, endlessly unfolding. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.